Hi, welcome. Today we're doing a demo of ClimateDataPool. This HackFS project is a proof of concept for decentralized global data storage. Our use case stems from the Paris Climate Accord. In that agreement, the nations of the world united to tackle climate change. ClimateDataPool intends to unite the reporting of all the nations on a blockchain. Each signatory country is responsible for submitting reports on a scheduled basis. In our contact with the United Nations, we learned that having one single canonical file as a data source would be a real advantage. Well, that's easy with IPFS. We wrote user stories for the hackathon. One is about a civil servant named Sam, the civil servant, based in Singapore. He's responsible for uploading reports. The other story involves Riley, a climate researcher who could be based anywhere. Let's start with Sam. Sam logs in, and he ends up in the overview screen of his country's document storage. You can see from the URL that we're using Fleek. We're making extensive use of Fleek, and you might recognize the user interface. We're imagining that Fleek has offered their services as a white label service, which can then be branded. So we've done that. We forked the UI and we turned it into a document management system. Here you can see there's a country login and there's various items here in the menu where the civil servant will do his work. Sam has a number of options. There's a listing of the latest submissions here. He's going to go to the upload screen. So his task is to add a new report. He'll choose a file, this one about energy usage analysis. He'll type in a title, and he'll choose a doc type. Then he'll click upload. Voila, the document succeeded, the upload. So now let's take a look underwater and see what's going on in the file system. We wrote a number of scripts which use the Fleek SDK. I'm going to run one called getLists.js. This will collect a list of files from Singapore's bucket. And here's the file that we just uploaded. We use this script to populate the front end. Let's look at the front end and also switch roles to Riley, the researcher. She sees a similar UI, but instead she's searching for a country and she has less functionality here. Imagine that she's searching for new documents. And there it is. This is our new document, energy usage analysis. She decides to download the document. There it is. So she's done, and we're done with our demo.